Hello guys, welcome to my coding channel. So today we are going to solve this stamping the sequence problem, which is today's Leetcode daily challenge. So in this problem we are given two strings, stamp and target. Initially we are also initializing a string s whose length is equal to the target length and whose elements which contain only this question mark element, this one. So in one turn, how we can change this? So in one turn, you can place stamp over S and replace every letter in the S with the corresponding letter from the stamp. So basically, we have to append this stamp string inside this S, replacing these symbols into the stamp elements. So for example, if we are given a stamp equals to ABC and target equals to ABCBA, so what we are going to do, initially we are given S is this one, which is equals to the target's length, this target's length. So we are at 0 index, we append this ABC. Okay, if we append it at index 1, so we get this question mark ABC. Then if we append it at 2, so basically we have to do like this. So if we see so what we have to return, so we have to return these indexes. So in this example we are given a stamp equals to ABC, target equals to ABC. So initially the S is equals to the symbols array. So we are also given we are given an output. So we will not say it. Firstly, we will try to do it ourselves. So in this, if we place this stamp at 0 index, what will we get? A B C, then this question mark, then question mark. If we place it at 2 index, so what will we get? A B C, and C will be replaced by A B C. So it can also have some other answer. For example, 102 is also acceptable, and some others answers is also acceptable. So it's not a issue. Let's understand this another example. So basically we are given a stamp ABCA, target equals to AA BC ACA. So according to the question, we have to initialize this S string. So we have initialized the length of this S string is equal to the target's length, which is 7, and here it's also 7. So what we have done, we will stamp this at index 3. So 0 1 2 3, this one. So we have stamped this stamp index in stamp array, we have placed this. So this 3 sign and ABCA. Now if we place this stamp in string inside this one, so basically what will we get? ABCA, A as it is, BCA, same to same. So we have placed in this thing, this stamp. So now we place it in index 1, what will we get? These 4 are replaced by this stamp. So we will get AABCACA. So the target is equals to this one, this S. So basically these we will store these indexes inside a array and return that array. That will be our output. For example, here 301 301. So if we are trying to do this problem by using same intuition that is given to the question, so it would become very difficult for us to find our solution. So basically we are going to do it reversively. So we can do it reversively. We are going to change this target to this string, this one to this string by using similar operations, but the array that we are going to get a reversive array, and we have to return that in by doing reversively. So what we have done, if we get any substring inside this target, what we are going to do? So at first, if you are seeing this, basically if you are seeing this, so basically what will we get? you will get this one, ABCA. This is the substring. Okay, so this comma, we are going to change this into this symbols. So A, this four symbol, then CA at index 1. Now if we will again check the substring of this, basically inside this S, this target. So the substring we get is A, this A. So we will change it again to this symbol. So we will get this string. Now if we will again check, so we get CA here and CA here. It's a substring of stamp. So we will again change this, and it's at index C3 basically. From here we are going to change it. Okay, so index 3, we get 103. We are going to append this in an array, and we are going to reverse this array and return. So we will get this answer, because in here, according to the question, we have to maintain our flow towards downward from this string to this target string. So but what we have done, we have done some logical thing, that we are going to convert this target into this string. So we are going to towards upward. So we are basically returning the reverse of this array. Okay, now without any wasting any time, firstly, we are going to use greedy algorithm. We are going to make a check function which will check this substring, this condition, that if there is any substring inside this target, we are going to append these symbols to the length of this stamp. Suppose the length of the stamp is 4, so we are going to append up to the 4 length, means this 4, then this 4, then here this 4, this 4, this 4, so to the length of this stamp basically. Okay, so let's code without wasting any time. So firstly we are going to take n and m, which is equals to the length of length of target and length of stamp. Okay, now we are converting the t and s, which is target and stamp, to the list, and we are also initializing an result string, result array, which we will return at the end. So list t, list s, and this empty list. Now we are going to make a function, check function, which will check if there is any stamp substring inside the target. So we will make a change boolean variable. Now we will take a loop up to the length of basically stamp, and check if I plus j, basically we are checking to a particular index here. So we have taken I plus j is double equals to this, then we are going to continue, because it doesn't matter for us. For example, here we seen a, then we have changed these 4 value. Okay, so we have, so the if there is any present any, if there this symbol is present in our particular basically array, so it doesn't matter for us. So if I plus j has not any type of stamp element, so we are going to return false, which means now we are going to make it true, because it has passed all the edge cases. Now if change, means if change is true, so basically what we are going to do, we are going to append, we are going to change the values inside the target to this column up to this symbol up to the length of m. And what is the length of m? Then what is m? Basically the length of stamp. Okay, now we are going to append this index value inside the empty res, and we are going to return the changed variable value. Okay, now we are going assuming it as a true change. Then while changed, if until the change is true, what we are going to do, we are going to make it as false firstly for comparison basis. How we will compare? Let's see it. So for I in range n minus m and plus 1 basically. So we are going to check if it's equal to check means if it's equals to false or true. Now what we are going to return, if the target is if the target is equals to the the array of basically these symbols whose length is equals to n. Basically what is n? It means it is converted into the target is converted into this string, this symbol string. So basically what we are going to return, we are going to return the reverse of this output array. Okay, otherwise we are going to return this empty array. So we are going to submit this. So hope it run, I hope it's run. So it's giving clearly. I think some any edge case is missing. So basically we have appended, then while change in false, then for I in range, then changed is check. If t double equals to this into else, then return else, otherwise this. So what's the issue basically? Let's see. So we have make n m equals to length, t as list of t, list of s. Then we have implemented a check function. Basically, the check function here is finding the substring of stamp inside this. So basically, it runs successfully. So we have done this problem at a very good complexity by using greedy algorithm. We can also use a BFS also, DFS also, depth first search, but this finds similar easier for me, so that's why I have made a video on this. So well, thank you and have a nice day. And if you like my content, so please like, subscribe my channel, and thank you and have a nice day.